Summer na! Paano natin mapapanatiling safe at healthy ang ating mga alagang aso during this season? Here are 10 summer tips for your dogs. Number 1 tip, hydrate your dog. Dogs need plenty of water to stay hydrated, especially pag mainit ang panahon. Make sure to provide your dog with fresh, clean water at all times. And make sure na nagdadala kayo ng tubig every time na lumalabas kayo kasama ang inyong mga alaga. And what you can do, and it's a very good idea, ay mag-freeze kayo ng water sa bowl at ibigay ninyo ito sa inyong mga alaga as a cool, refreshing treat. Tip number 2, limit outdoor exercise during hot weather. Alam nyo ba na pwedeng ma-heat stroke ang inyong mga aso if they exercise too much during hot weather? Kaya limitahan ang outdoor activities and walks ninyo kapag tirik ang araw. You can just do your walks or exercise during early morning or evening. Pwede rin kayo mag-provide ng indoor exercise options gaya ng playing fetch or tug of war para kahit hindi sila nakakalabas during hot weather ay nakakapag-exercise pa rin sila. Tip number 3, protect your dog from the sun. Gaya ng tao, dogs can also suffer from sunburn and skin cancer. Kaya, protektahan natin sila sa araw by providing them with plenty of shade, using dog-safe sunscreen, and avoiding extended period of time in the sun. At kapag maglalagay tayo ng sunscreen sa ating mga aso, ay ilagay ito sa mga areas na prone sa sunburn, gaya ng ilong, tenga, at belly. Tip number 4, never ever leave your dog in a parked car. Wag na wag mong iiwan ang iyong aso sa loob ng isang sasakyan kahit saglit na saglit lang. Bakit, kanyo? Dahil nakakamatay ito. Yes, you heard me right. It's deadly, especially during the hot summer months. Kahit sabihin mong nakabukas ang bintana ng kotse mo, the inside of the car can quickly reach deadly temperatures. Kaya sa susunod na gagala ka, mas mainam na iwan mo na lang ang iyong alagang aso sa inyong bahay or bring them with you. Tip number 5, keep your dog cool. Alam nyo ba na nagko-cool down ang mga aso by panting and sweating using their paw pads? But this may not be enough during extreme heat. Para malamigan na yung mga aso ay bigyan nyo sila ng electric fan or ilagay nyo sila sa isang lugar na may aircon or bigyan nyo sila ng malamig or basang tuwalya para mahigaan. At kung meron kayong kiddie pool or sprinkler sa bahay ay pwede nyo rin silang paglaruin doon. At bago tayo dumako sa susunod na tip, kung nagugustuhan mo at meron kang natututunan sa video na ito ay click mo naman ang like button at don't forget to subscribe for more dog tips. Tip number 6, watch out for signs of heat stroke. Kaya nang sinabi ko earlier, ang heat stroke ay hindi lang para sa tao. Meron din ito sa ating mga alagang aso. Ang heat stroke ay isang seryosong kondisyon na pwedeng mangyari sa iyong alaga. At alamin natin ano-ano ang mga senyales na nahi-heat stroke na ang iyong aso. Number 1, sobrang hingal. Number 2, sobrang paglalaway or drooling. Number 3, vomiting or pagsusuka. Number 4, lethargy or collapse. Kapag nakita mo ang mga signs na ito sa iyong alaga, ay ilagay mo or ilipat mo sila sa isang malamig na lugar at bigyan mo ng malamig na tubig. At kapag hindi nag-improve ang lagay ng iyong aso, ay dalhin mo na ito agad sa isang vet para maagapan. Tip number 7, provide access to water for swimming. Alam niyo ba na ang swimming can be a great way for dogs to cool off during summer? Pero make sure that they have access to safe and clean water. Syempre, keep an eye on your dog while swimming para siguradong safe na safe ang iyong alaga. Tip number 8, keep your dog well groomed. Regular grooming ay makakatulong para mapanatiling presko ang iyong mga alaga ngayong summer months. Pero make sure not to cut your dog's fur too short as it can provide protection from sun and heat. Tip number 9, watch out for hot surfaces. Mainit na semento, buhangin, or floor can burn your dog's paw pads. Avoid walking your dogs on hot surfaces or lagyan nyo sila ng boots if necessary. I-test nyo muna ang temperature ng isang surface by placing your hand for a few seconds before letting your dog walk on it. Ayos ba? And last but not the least, tip number 10 is enjoy summer activities with your dog. Summer is a great time to enjoy outdoor activities with your dog. Activities such as hiking, camping, or swimming. Pero make sure to take the necessary precautions para maging safe at healthy lagi ang iyong aso. Magdala kayo ng plenty of water, sunscreen, and any necessary gear. And watch out for signs of heat stroke or other heat-related illnesses. At yan ang mabibigay kong 10 summer tips for your dog. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan. I'll see you again next time only here here sa Munting Kennel. Bye!